Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Hope you're having an awesome day. I'm here in South Korea. I've just met two suppliers actually, and I'm down in port city, the 5th largest port in the world, called Busan. And I've just taken a bit of time off. I've got an hour free, so there's a quick tour of the of Busan. And this behind me, as you can see, is South Korea's essentially their take on the Great War of China. So it's something to protect them from the Mongolians and the Japanese and maybe Kim Jong-un, I don't know. And the question I want you to ponder today is, how do you protect your importing business or your Amazon business? What can you do? What can you put in place to help you protect your business? So it could be trademarks, which are quite easily to attain. It could be patents on particular products. If you're new to patents, then probably get some advice before getting a patent because they're quite costly. It could be connecting with a lawyer in China. I've done this before. I've contacted a lawyer to look at contracts before submitting payment to a Chinese supplier. Get them just to look over the contract, make sure the translation is perfect. What else can you do to make sure your importing or your Amazon business is protected? And there's a lot of things you can do, guys. A couple other things: make sure that your competitors are always sort of in check. You kind of know what they're selling, what price points they're selling it at. Maybe you can change your prices here or there, maybe make a better offer. Always check on a few suppliers. When you have a great supplier, I would say don't stop there. I would say look for 2 or 3 more suppliers. You don't need to contact them, just have them there in your pocket in case your one supplier ends up falling off the wagon and stop producing that particular product and you need something else. You need a supplier quick smart. So always have 2 suppliers in check. That's it for me today, guys. I've had quite a bit of a walk. It's a big, as you can see there, massive walk, massive war. And hope you have a good day. And if you have any questions, guys, if you're looking to get started importing from China, maybe starting something on Amazon, maybe you're looking to, get something lifted off this year and you're sort of unsure about what product to sell, what's in demand right now, well, connect with us. Alex Ryan, visit my website. The website link is below this video. And if you know somebody who's looking to protect their business, maybe start a business and make sure that they protect it and they're starting from scratch and they need a bit of help, definitely share this video, comment below. I'll be very happy that you did. And let's get something started this year. Hope you have an awesome day, guys. Talk to you real soon. See you later.